Now we will start the subtraction of rational number. Okay. So let's solve some example in which we need to perform the subtraction of rational number. So first, subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. Means from 5 by 6, we need to subtract 3 by 4. So here again we need to apply the same concept of addition. Here denominator is different. So take the LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM will be 12. So here 6 needs to multiply with 2 in a numerator and denominator, and 3 by 4 needs to multiply with 3 in a numerator and denominator. Now 5 2s are 10 by 12 minus 3 3s are 9 by 12. So now denominator is same. So subtract the numerator 10 minus 9 whole divided 12. So it is 1. Clear? Now next one, subtract minus 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 8. It means from minus 5 by 7 subtract minus 3 by 8. So here again take the LCM. LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. So here 7 needs to multiply with 8. So same in the numerator. And minus 3 by 8 needs to multiply with 7 in the numerator and denominator. Minus 40 by 56 minus 21 by 56. Now minus minus become plus, so minus 40 by 56 plus 21 by 56. Here minus 40 plus 21. So you can write minus 40 plus 21 whole divided by 56. Now one is negative, one is positive, so subtract. So we will get 19 minus 19 by 56 because bigger number is minus, so it is minus 19 by 56. So this will be our answer. Clear? Now next, subtract minus 3 by 5 from 9 by 50. So 9 by, it is 9 by 10 minus 3 by 5. Now you can directly change the sign, minus minus plus, so 9 by 10 plus 3 by 5. LCM of 10 and 5 will be 10. So here 3 by 5 needs to multiply with 2. So we have 9 by 10 plus 6 by 10. 9 plus 6 is 15 by 10. Now cut the common factor, 5 3s are and 5 2s are 10. So 5 will be cancelled out. So answer is 2 by 10. Okay. Here some example are given. You need to perform the subtraction. Okay. Now example 1. The sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 5. If one of the number is minus 9 by 20, find the whole. What is the question? The sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 5. One of the number is minus 9 by 20. So, if one rational number is minus 9 by 20, let's other is x. And sum of these two is minus 3 by 5. Okay, so we can write let number is x. So here x plus minus 9 by 20. Here sum is given, means we need to perform the addition of minus 9 by 20 and x. Now here we need to find the unknown x. So take minus 9 by 20 from left hand side to right hand side. So it becomes plus minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 20. Now LCM of 5 and 20 is 20. So here minus 3 by 5 is multiplied with 4 in a numerator and denominator, and 9 by 20 as it is because denominator is 20. So here x is equal to 3 4s are minus 12 by 20 plus 9 by 20. Now denominator is same, so we can perform the subtraction. Minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. So other rational number is minus 3 by Friend, other rational number is minus 3 by 10. Now next, what should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get 5 by 9? We need to add something in minus 5 by 8 to get 5 by 9. So let's minus 5 by 8, we add something like x. Answer is 5 by 9. Now here we need to find x, take minus 5 by 8 from the left to right. So it becomes plus 5 by 8. This is same as we perform in chapter number 2, like equation. Now LCM of 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 LCM gives 72. So here 5 by 9 needs to multiply with 8 in the numerator and denominator to get 72 here. And 8 is multiplied with 9 in the numerator and denominator. Now x is equal to 8 multiply 5, 40 by 72 plus 9 multiply 5, 45 by 72. Now denominator is same, so add the numerator, that is 85 by 72. So what should we add? What should we need to add 85 by 72? If we add 85 by 72 in minus 5 by 8, answer is 5 by 9. So we should add 85 by 72. Now let's take one more example. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 so as to get 5 by 6? We need to subtract something from minus 3 by 4 so as to get 5 by 6. So we can write from minus 3 by 4 we need to subtract something like x. So answer is 5 by 6. Now we need to find x. But here it is minus x. So we take minus x on right side. So it becomes plus. Now here we need to find x, means take 5 by 6 from the right to left. So it is minus 5 by 6 is equal to x. Now if we solve this one, we get the value of x. Okay. So let's find the LCM of 4 and 6, that is 12. So minus 3 by 4 is multiplied with 3 in a numerator and denominator. And 5 by 6 is multiplied with 2 in a numerator and denominator. To get denominator 12 because LCM is 12. Clear? Now 3 3s are minus 9 by 12 minus 10 by 12. 5 2s are 10 is equal to 6. Now here denominator is same, so we can write minus 10 minus 12 divided by 12. So here minus 19 by 12 is equal to x. So which number we should subtract it from minus 3 by 4? If we subtract minus 19 by 12 from minus 3 by 4, we will get 5 by 6. Okay. Now after that we learn about the properties of subtraction of rational number. Okay. What is? We learn about the closure property. Closure property means subtraction of rational number. If you subtract two rational numbers, then answer is always a rational number, and this is it means rational number are closed for a subtraction, but rational number are not commutative because we cannot change the order in a rational number. Why? Because a plus b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. If you if you take any rational number and check this, then it is always not associative. It is not associative because if we have a minus b minus c with bracket a and b is not equal to a minus b minus c. So we cannot change the bracket in a subtraction. So a closure means rational number are closed for subtraction, but it is not commutative and not associative. Now let's solve some example of rational number. So here minus 4 by 13 minus 5 by 26. So here rational number are minus 4 by 13 and minus 5 by 26, and you need to perform the subtraction. So here you can change the sign. So minus 4 by 13 minus plus 5 by 26. Now LCM of 13 and 26, that is 26. So here you can write LCM is 26. So find LCM is 36, so 13 needs to multiply with 2. So minus 4 by 13 is multiplied with 2. 5 by 26 is as it is because denominator is already 26. Now minus 8 by 26 plus 5 by 26. Now minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 by 26. So this will be our answer. Now next one, 15 and 25 in a denominator, 13 by 15 minus 12 by 15. Find the LCM of 15 and 25. Let's find. 3 5s are 15, 25 as it is. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So LCM is 75. Clear? So now 15. How can we get 75 here? If we multiply 15 with 5. So same number in a numerator. 13 is also multiplied with 5. 25 is multiplied with 3. So same number in a numerator. Now 13 5s are 65 by 75 minus 36 by 70. Now perform the subtraction. 65 minus 36, we will get 29 by 70. So this will be our answer. Clear? Now next one. 5 by 63 minus 8 by 20. So here you can change the sign, minus become plus. Now LCM is 63 here. So 5 by 63 is as it is. And 8 by 21 needs to multiply with 3 in a numerator and denominator. So here 5 by 63 plus 24 by 63. Now 5 plus 24 is 29 by 60. So this will be our. Now fourth one, 7 by 24 minus 19 by 36. Take LCM of 24 and 36. 18 2s are 36, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and so LCM is 72. Now how can we get 24 as a 72? If we multiply 3 here to get 72 and 36 is multiplied with 2 to get 72. So same in the numerator. Now 7 3s are 21 by 72 minus 36 by 38 by 70. Now 21 minus 38, that is minus 70 by 75. So this way you can perform the subtraction of rational number. Now let's take one more example. The sum of two rational number is 5 by 9. If one of the number is minus 12 by 3, find the other. Sum of two rational number is 5 by 9. Means if we add two rational number, answer is 5 by 9. If one number is minus 12 by 3, find the other, means let other number is x. So here we need to find x. Means take minus 12 by 3 from left side to right side. Here minus is there, it becomes plus. So x is equal to 5 by 9 plus 12 by 3. Now LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. So here 5 by 9 as it is. 12 by 3 is multiplied with 3 and 3 in a numerator and denominator. So 5 by 9 36 by 9. Now add the number 5 plus 36, that is 41 by 9. So this will be our answer. What number we should add? If we add 41 by 9 minus 12 by 3, we get 5 by 9. Now next, what should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? Okay, we should add something in minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9. So here minus 7 by 8, add something, we get 5 by 9. So here we need to find x. So x as it is 5 by 9. 7 by 8 from left side to right side become plus 7 by 8. Now here 9 and 8 is set, so LCM is 72. So here 9 is multiplied with 8. So numerator is also multiplied with 8. 8 is multiplied with 9. So 7 is also multiplied with 9. 8 5s are 40. 72 plus 63 by 70. Clear? Now 40 plus 63. 4 divided 72. So it is 103 by 72. So this will be our answer. So what should be added? If we add 103 divided by 72 in minus 7 by 8, we will get 5 by 9. Here 5 examples are given and you need to find the answer as we performed in a previous example.